Come analyze this potential Amazon product with me and make sure you save this video because this is exactly how I analyze any product that I potentially want to sell. So here we looked up beef tallow on Amazon, and I'm going to go ahead and pull up my Helium 10 Google Chrome X-ray extension, and this is for product research. Here the X-ray tool is going to show me all the data for all the products on page 1. First thing that I want to do is go to filters and then hide sponsored products and apply. And then these are all the metrics that I'm looking at. So first off, we have search volume, and I want that to be above at least 2K. And then I'm also going to check the search volume graph and make sure that the product isn't seasonal. I know this looks like a bunch of peaks and valleys, but this is a pretty normal search volume graph on Amazon. And then we look at total revenue, which is 7.1 mil for this one. And I want this number to be at least 200K. And then we have average revenue, which is 145K. I want this to be around 7 to 10K because I want a product that has the potential to make at least 10K a month. And then we have average price, which is 26 for this one. And I want a product that has at least a $30 average price to account for FBA fees, cost of goods, shipping, and advertising cost. Here we have average revenue, which is 1,018. Now I look for a product that's under or around 500 average reviews. If it's 600, 700, 800, okay. 900, it's at my threshold and it wouldn't meet the criteria. And then I'm going to go back to my filters and I'm going to go to review count here and I'm going to set the max reviews to 200 and then apply filters. And here it's only going to show me all of the low reviewed sellers. And I would want at least 20% of those sellers to be making at least 10K plus a month. And the reason behind that is because it's one thing if the top seller with a bunch of reviews is performing well, but we aren't going to launch with a bunch of reviews. So we want to see how the low reviewed sellers are performing because it's a better indicator of how us, a low reviewed seller, will perform. Now, this product doesn't meet the criteria because of the average price and the average reviews. But if that's the case when you're doing product research, then you would just go back to the drawing board, continue to find products that caught your eye, and then rinse and repeat this analysis process until you found a product that met the criteria.